Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Settings and moving immediately to Display and Brightness. This gets you to where Lock Screen options live. Once done, make sure you're unlocked with Face ID or your passcode so changes apply. If your device is supervised by a company profile, check that first because restrictions can block the next steps. Now tap Display and Brightness and prepare to adjust lock screen settings. This is where you change mode behaviors and access permissions. You'll now locate lock screen or Face ID and passcode sections and inspect each toggle. That's how you reduce lock behaviors. Disable widgets, notifications on lock screen, or a focus mode that forces a locked appearance. If Face ID settings like attention, aware features are keeping the screen locked, toggle them off. This prevents the screen from locking when it misdetects attention. Make sure to authenticate when prompted. Apple requires it to save these security-related changes. Finish by confirming your changes and restarting the iPhone so the system applies them cleanly. If the lock screen mode persists, inspect Profiles and Device Management in Settings for restrictions imposed by an organization and remove them if allowed. As a final measure, reset all settings. This preserves data while returning system toggles to default, which usually clears stubborn lock behaviors. If problems continue, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for hands-on diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.